DCOUNTA function. This function examines a list of information and counts the non-blank cells in a specified column. It counts values and text items, but blank cells are ignored. Simply, it does not count any cell that is empty. The syntax is DCOUNTA, database range, field name, and criteria range. The database range is the entire list of information you need to examine, including the field names at the top of the column. You are going to include all these field names in your database. So this is the entire database I'm considering. The field name is the name or cell or values to count. So any of these field names can be counted based on the values they have. The criteria range is made up of two information. The first set of information is the name, or you say the field name, and the second one is the record you are considering. So your criteria can be brand and sunbeam, or product and spot. So that's how the syntax is. Let's consider the table and let's try and answer this question. Count the number of products of a particular brand. So products, these are the brands. Let's choose Horizon. Don't forget that you put the field name here and the particular brand underneath. Then your DCOUNTA formula will go this way. Equals DCOUNTA B3 to I19, that's the entire table, E3, that's the field name you are counting. E3, this is E3, that's brand. Then your criteria will be E23 to E25. Listed that out here, so this is the criteria I am considering, brand and Horizon. So if I click enter here, I have 8. This simply means that I have counted the number of brands that are Horizon in this table. Let's count manually. Under brand Horizon, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's why we return 8. Now let's check some example. The count of a product with an unknown live hour value. Where's the column for unknown live hour value? Okay, this is the live hour value, and these are the unknown. So this is the field we are considering. Okay. Now don't forget that you always write out your criteria. In this case, I'm considering 2 criteria: the product, that's the field name, and life hour. But what product? Bulb. What life hour? Unknown. So my DCOUNT formula is equals DCOUNTA B3 to I19, that's the entire table, D3, because D3 is the life hour field name, then E50 F51, that's E50 F51, the criteria. So when I click enter, I have 1 in the sense that I'm going to check manually now for product bulb where it intersects with unknown. Let's check product bulb and where it intersects with unknown here. This is the only place where bulb and unknown intersect. That's why I returned 1. So this is how the DCOUNTA function works. It counts non-blank cells based on the criteria you specify. Thank you for your time in this lesson. See you again in the next one.